Our 4K portable capture solution is made up of a portable host, 3 cameras, and a wireless microphone. Now let's go over how to power on all devices. The power button sits on the upright of the camera. Press and hold it to turn the unit on. Once powered up, the lens will begin automatic scanning. For the microphone, we need to take it out, then long press the side switch to turn it on. The host power button is on the bottom right corner. Just tap it once to boot up the device.